In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp with WordPress. Before we begin, here's what you'll get by the end. Your WordPress site will be connected to Mailchimp so you can collect subscribers and manage email marketing directly through a trusted plugin. Make sure you're signed into a WordPress account that has administrator access. On some hosting plans, especially on hosted WordPress services, plugin access may be limited. If you don't see the plugins menu, check your plan or permissions. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your site. If you're not already there, sign in and you'll land on a screen labeled Dashboard. It's your control center for everything we're about to do. From the left-hand menu, click Plugins. This opens the plugin management area where you can add new tools to your site. If the page looks different from what you expect, don't worry. WordPress can look slightly different depending on the version or hosting, but the Plugins section is always where you'll search for and manage add-ons. At the top of the Plugins area, find the search bar. This is usually positioned prominently so you can quickly locate what you need. Click it to make it active. You should see your cursor blinking, ready to type. Type Mailchimp into the search bar. As you type, WordPress will list matching plugins. You'll likely see multiple options, including the official Mailchimp integration and other tools that work with Mailchimp. You're looking for a reputable, well-maintained plugin. Check for signs of quality like a high number of active installations, recent updates, strong ratings, and compatibility with your version of WordPress. Picking a trusted plugin helps ensure stability and security. When you spot the Mailchimp plugin you want to use, click it to open the details view. This screen summarizes what the plugin does, shows screenshots, lists features, and notes any requirements. Take a quick moment to confirm it's compatible with your setup. If your site runs e-commerce, you may also see specialized Mailchimp add-ons, but for a general site integration, the standard Mailchimp plugin is typically what you need. Now click Activate. Depending on your environment, you might see an Install button first, followed by Activate. That's normal. If prompted, proceed through the installation and then activate it. The button text will guide you. Keep the page open while this runs. It usually takes just a few seconds. After activation begins, follow any on-screen prompts to connect your site to your Mailchimp account. You may be asked to sign in to Mailchimp to grant permission for the connection. This can happen in a secure pop-up or a new tab. Use the Mailchimp account you want associated with this website and approve the requested access. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow them temporarily so the connection can complete. If you use two-factor authentication, have your verification method ready. When the process finishes, look for confirmation that the plugin is active. In your plugins list, you should see it marked as active, often with a clear status indicator. Some plugins display a success banner at the top of the screen. You might also notice a new Mailchimp option added to your WordPress menu, which is where you'll handle configuration and features the plugin provides. If you don't see the Activate option or the plugin doesn't appear, refresh the page and try the search again. Double check that you're on a plan that supports plugins and that you have admin rights. If you encounter compatibility notices, update WordPress to the latest stable version, or choose a plugin version that supports your setup. That's it. You've accessed the dashboard, opened plugins, used the search bar, typed Mailchimp, selected the Mailchimp plugin, activated it, signed in if prompted, and confirmed it's active. Your WordPress site is now integrated with Mailchimp and ready for you to use its features to grow your audience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.